Hello, and yeah, I want to say welcome to the channel, even if you are new or if you are old subscriber. Today I will give you a little tip here from the kitchen, how you make your fish without losing taste. Even you cook it in the butter or you cook it in oil, you can do it much simple, and the fish will still be tasty and juicy. So if you follow me to the kitchen, I will show you how. First of all, here we need to use eggs. And as you see, I want to put a little pepper, salt, come later. And so it's only now to mix it up. Like if you want to make scrambled eggs. Here is the flour. Now I want to start with my pan here. So first of it be warm. Now on the warm pan I need to put lots of butter, so the fish have something to cook in. Here I have my fish. It's white fish. First I put it in the eggs, and then after I drip it up, it's really filled this fish. So I put it in the flour. And now in 2 seconds, when the butter is ready, so the fish is ready to go to the pan. And so when I mix it around over there, it already gets much. The fish here is nice and brown. And it's actually already finished to eat. Simple. Put in an egg and put it in flour, and only give it a few minutes in the butter, and so you have a perfect crispy fish here. See, it's still soft, and there's lots of juice in. I can touch it without broken. That was a simple meal for the weekend. If you like, you can cook rice for it. In Europe, Danish, you can make small potatoes, put persil on, and you have a perfect meal. It only have 20 minutes, so you are ready for eat. I will say thank you for watching here. Thank you for following the video. I hope we see you again next time.